water. The water is over. I'm so thirsty. Alhamdulillah, thank you. No water, no filter. Water. Water is a vital element in life. A person cannot live without water because water is the main need for human life. The availability of water in this world is so abundant, but only a little bit water can be consumed by humans for drinking purposes. When one day we are faced with a choice between water and diamonds as a profession for continuing our life, of course, without thinking twice, the choice will fall on water. How come all living creatures on this earth need water to live? But the fact is today, Indonesia is already experiencing a water crisis. According to World Research Institute study, Indonesia has a high risk of experiencing a water crisis in 2040. Even in 2020, Bappenas has reported that most areas in Java and Bali have entered the category of scarcity to critical clean water. In the same year, a study from the Ministry of Health showed that 7 out of 10 Indonesian households consume drinking water contaminated with E. coli bacteria, which are commonly found in feces. The proportion of areas experiencing water crisis has also increased from 6% in 2000 to 9.6% in 2045. The island of Java is predicted to experience an increase in water deficit till 2070. Talking about the water crisis, this is a condition of imbalance between the availability of clean water and the demand for clean water. As the population increases, the greater the need for drinking water. Apart from that, the water crisis is an environmental problem experienced by many countries. And this problem even included the Sustainable Development Goals agreed by 193 countries.
According to Rohani Budi Prihatin in the journal Clean Water Problem in Urban Areas, the following are several factors causing the clean water crisis, especially in urban areas which are the central point for higher water demand, including first, the rate of population increase and movement to urban areas is quite high. Land use that doesn't pay attention to soil and water conservation. Second, many buildings in big city do not comply with the ratio of used land to open land, thereby disrupting the process of absorbing rainwater into the ground. Third, quite high population growth and domestic, industrial, erosion, and agricultural activities. Fourth, excessive groundwater exploitation by office buildings, hospital, shopping center, and apartments. After knowing the causes of the clean water crisis, now, what are the impacts of the clean water crisis? The following are some of the impacts of the clean water crisis, namely, first, health crisis. Second, environmental condition deteriorating. Third, water crisis disrupt the economy. Fourth, living standard decrease. And the last one, hunger is rampant. What efforts can be made to reduce the clean water crisis?
The following are several examples of efforts that can be made to reduce the clean water crisis, namely, first, save water. One step that can be taken to overcome the water crisis is to save water use and not waste it. Second, don't throw rubbish in waterways. Throwing rubbish in waterways will cause the water quality to deteriorate and become unclean.
Third, planting trees or reforestation. Trees have roots which function to absorb water in the soil. Okay everyone, water is important for our life. No water, no future.